Na Bteng ki wei ki Skul ki balala ban sei Iaki Khynnah ki bastard bat ki bala ban wan shkhmat ha ki Jingpynpule ha ki Jingpynpule result jong ka embos mentasnam sashi sian ki Khynnah jong Skul Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo no Riboy district ka la ban wan ra biang yakanam hadian ba arngut ki Khynnah na ka ni ka Skul kila sha pen kentup ha ka thup jong ki arphongut ki Khynnah ki bawan shkhmat lani ka top 20 ha ka Jingpynpule yak result jong ka SSLC da ki bor jong ka embos menta kasngi kani kala penlong yaki bor penya Skul jong Skul Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo ban penpau yak Jingkemen ka bakraw hadian bakini ki arngut ki Khynnah Skul kilala ban ya be shakathong ban Rung shaka top 20 habai kran ba ka wei na Bteng ki Khynnah Skul ka blayo Rung ha ka thup jong ki arphongun ki bawan shakman ka bala tip kerteng kum kan Nandini Kumari kalayo thu bakala pen kre bha yala di haknik exam bat kumba ka khmi inti kala urlong bat ka jingtrish tom jongka kalawan ra yo so Bteng shushu kalong ru ba wala ka yele ban pulut khambon ka por hakilin nongkan handrei kadang isu mentapat haki jingile kaya Skul bat ki kamyeng bat kala syukiar ban pulut ya ka por ha ka mobile bat ka TV ka principal jong ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School ka kong WK bla kala penpau ya ka mensiam jong ka Jingkemen ban yoi bat tip bagi Khynnah Skul kidang yai Bteng nakawi ka snam syakawai pan ban kentiu biang ya ka nam jong ka Skul da ka bayo Rung syaka top 20 ha ka jela brok kawai ha ka ju ka por kala penbaru ba kinu ki Khynnah napok ka Skul ki bawan tom kin yo ban Bteng ya ka Jingpynpule jong ki ha ka class 11 bat class 12 klam dan kam ban COEA bat kolong ru baya kani la jule man laus nam kabla long ru ka jingai man siem yaki Khynnah Skul bakin ya le bha haki exam jungki
over the moon about my results. It has been really good, and first of all I like to thank God for all his blessings. He has always been with me whenever I needed him, and ma'am for always supporting me and all of us, all and the whole class, and all the teachers who have been through, who have worked together with me, and without them it wouldn't have been possible. And my tutor and my parents, of course, they have always encouraged me to work hard and to do my best. So I'm really thankful to all of them. It's just we need to be consistent. We have to work bit by bit, but every day. We should be consistent with our studies, and we should not be distracted. We should avoid distractions and just keep doing our work sincerely. I was involved in sports as well. I used to play games and all during the recreation week and all, which was held in our school. And yeah, we should always we should study, but then at the same time we should also be involved into some games so that we are fit physically as well. It's not about how many hours we should study, but it's about if we study only for 1 hour, we should be sincere with that. We should study with full focus. So usually I used to study besides school is for 5 hours after school, and in the morning 2 hours. Yeah, you should be confident. You should have confidence. Self-confidence is really important, and you should trust yourself. Trust the process, trust yourself, and you will do great.
Thank you. Yeah, on this today when I got to hear the news, I was really very happy in knowing that she has got in the top 10 list. I'm really grateful to the school department, all the teachers, respected ma'am, who were always having an information and guidance giving towards, like whenever the result were being distributed, I think they will be giving some guidance and some tips that where she need to focus much more. That also really helped her in doing her in her studies to get much better year by year, and as she was studying from her childhood. So I think the total whatever she had been doing, get the knowledge from the school itself. And besides what she just now said, that she was working hard, she was having confidence that she can do better, and today she has got the result also. So she also happy, and I am really very very happy and excited as well.
Principal, jong Alpha English High Secondary School nong po sa sisen pan ngas ngeu nung kong man ai ngu yo blay ya kan ni resort ko ba kan ni snem ro hoi kadon ke jing tot kan dia ka jing pen bana jong ki ya ka resort ka sni Saturday ka ba ka day ka cuti ya ki school jan baro lada day ba ni don ki kena school mutasi kejing ya shat kejing ya kemen kan long ke ba semua tak ada tak kini ki kena school ke ba mi ke resort ki pas wan sekemat kini ban wan sha school lang ba ki mi ki pa rewal kataru kata ke kejing start jong ka mikle board of school education bakila peni ya ka resort kini ka sngi bat kom ka principal ada sngau ngo shisha ya uble bat kunju ru ya kinong hikai ya ki kemi ki pa ki ba krishan ya ki ya kejat bat kunju ru ya ki kena school khamtam ya ki kini ki ba wan chakmat kumu soraf pande wan haka third position bat kunju ru nandini kumari iba wan haka sixth position hajing changi don shu sa langut e kena ki ba kemi unti kumi kadiala sungo yo 92.16%, piba su sing tangsang yo 92.33%, ashwarya sha yo 91.83%. Karisol jong kababha jong kini kikna kadai nungkong nagajing tracy tong jong ki kajing long jong kini kena baro hi kini ki bawan chakman nakajing tracy tong kajing Bteng jongi na school kinong hikai ba kikimi kikpa nay nung ko ngay i day ka jinglong babaha jong ki ka jinglong ngek sneng ko ngu sneng jong ki ka jinglong ba ka jing ya shimbenta jong ki haki program jong ka school baro laha po school ni shabar block level, district level, state level kini ki kena ki ju shimbenta nakapor syakapor but kuwi ka mga ju i galong baro ba kimi not haki assignments jongki kimi not haki jing kot jongki yo kidon kan ka regular study habit but ka ka banga yu iru bagini kena kimde ki ba long distracted lani ki ba bun kama ki mobile lani haki serial lani haka kam ki ba kumni kumtai ki jushim ta ki kam kum sports lani ki quiz competition science exhibition ki program ki ba pe tingasnya ba kubor ko mga kuaban ay ki kun ki ti jongi ki kena school jongi bang ngek scam na ki school baro ba nta ka snem hari boy ngi don sa kiway ki school artli ki ba poilang ha ka position jong top 20 ni ay kublay lang ya ki ru kunjo ba ngek scam ba ka kubor ko ba ngi kum ki nong hikai ba ki nong penya school ka long ba ki kun ki ti jongi ki dei ban su tho ba ka ni ka protect ki jing ya ko jing le bat ba kimla ban shu shong thai la mi ban shu ki Jingpynpule jong ki ban plak mi ta ki ni ki tai ki ka ban shimno ya ka por jong ki ban plut por kai ha ki ki ba shimno por jong ki na Jingpynpule jong ki ya ku ble ya T7 borbor ka ba don bat ni ki program ko school baro bat matak la wan kanang chingi school jongi ban ai ni ku bor ba omdon kata ka shortcut to success except hard work omdon ka jing kanung kelenti winya penekot kumnu ban poish ki jing job like tang da jing trai stom jing trai minat jongi an incentive from the school any of the students who are on the top list those students who got 90% and above in the SSLC exams 2025 or every year, the school usually give free education, that means 100% fee concession if they join the school again